Okay, so here we are at Saltburn. I forgot the name there. Here we are at Saltburn. Behind me is the 1258 Northern service to Bishop Auckland, which I'm going to be filming leaving. Then I'm going to go and head down to the beach, I think. I don't know, see what's going on down there, because the next train isn't for an hour. Then it's up to my dad what he wants to do, because we're either going to stay here for an hour and then get that train back, or we're going to stay here for 2 hours and see a HST come here. But if I don't see the HST here, do not worry, because I will still get the HST, because I should have time to see it on the line, on the, like, I don't know, works train line or something, I don't know what it's called, UGL line at Darlington. So I will still see it. But yeah, let's just see this train depart. Maybe I'll get some tones, we'll see. Oh god, I don't want to lose my hat. I'm gonna walk away now. Okay, I've made my way back to Saltburn. I went down to the beach. Well, not actually on the beach, but just at the top of the hill. And now we have the train literally coming in. So it's time to record it, I think. Okay, now coming in is the 1348, I believe. Northern service from Bishop Auckland. This will be forming the 1358 back out. We've got a 158 this time. I don't tend to see many of them on this line. 158842. Moving fairly slowly. Oh, I'm glad I'm getting a 158 back, because I had a 156 here. Prefer the 158s. And there we are.